Are you sitting in front of your computer inside of a poorly lit room? Well, I was. That is, until I installed my new monitor light from Melifo. This light bar comes with everything you need to get your area lit up quickly and easily. Inside the box, you have a manual, a USB-C power cable, a wireless LED light control, a mount with a multi-section counterweight, tools and hardware, and of course, your light bar. Snap your light bar to the mount so that the USB port is accessible through the hole in the back of the mount. Plug in your USB-C cable to the light bar and then into a power source, and you're good to go. This light bar is touch activated and can be easily adjusted by pressing the buttons on top. But my favorite feature is easily the button. No setup required. Just single press the button to turn on your light and double press it to shut it off. While it's on, you could single press the button to cycle through the different color temperatures to make your light easier on the eyes. Then you can press and hold the button to adjust the brightness of the light. You really have so much control over this light. You can even use the button to power 2 light bars at once. This is perfect for dual monitor users that need a little extra light. Now, if you don't want to use your button or your dog eats it and you don't have one anymore, you can use the touch buttons on the top of the light bar. They're really easy to use and offer just as much control. There's even an auto dimming feature you can turn on. The light sensor will adjust the light's brightness depending on the ambient light in the room. I held a flashlight up to the sensor, and as you could see, the light quickly dims, making it less bright in the room. And when I remove the flashlight, the light bar gets bright again, lighting my area. The light bar also uses a directed light that only lights up your desk and doesn't cause a glare on your monitor. It doesn't have blue light, so it's much easier on the eyes. Now that I've had a chance to use this light bar for a bit, I've noticed less strain on my eyes. I've been able to find things much easier in the dark, and I've been able to see my workstation. It's also a nice way to light my art projects so I can work on them in the dark. So many times this light has come in handy, and I don't think I could work at a desk without a monitor light bar anymore. This thing is so small and portable that I can move it around to light different areas, use it on my laptop, and even take it with me on the go. This is something that I'm definitely going to keep in my work area. It has improved my workflow, and I'm sure it'll help you too. If you'd like to light up your area too, please click the affiliate link in the description below and check out the monitor light bar today. Till next time, I've got a painting that needs finished and a light bar that lights it. So now I can actually finish the painting. See ya!